My name is Keith Swanson. I'm an English teacher at Wahai and been here 6 years, raised 5 kids. 2 of them are still at Wahai, the other 3 are off at college now. And my wife has been a teacher in the area, and we started a business together. One of the things that we looked at the task force was to identify, what are the needs? What are the critical needs versus the things that we all want, but knowing that that we've got a finite amount of money, and we wanted to come up with something that would impact our students the most. And I think we came up with a pretty good list, focusing primarily at Wahai and at Lincoln and at Pioneer. We heard from our community pretty loud and clear that that everyone is sensitive to tax rates and paying their bills, and so the idea of coming up with a proposal that does not raise any taxes was very appealing, and we voted unanimously. There were 18 of us on the task force from all walks of life, all different types of businesses, leaders, community leaders who were represented, and we voted unanimously to go with the smaller package, but that would still meet all of the critical needs. And we were pretty excited about offering that to the district for a proposal. If you have any more questions about the bond, there's lots of information at the district office. Just contact the district office. You can do so via email or by phone.